Historical places. Unit 1, 3rd standard, term 2, social studies. Okay, this is a discussion between a boy Chandru and a shopkeeper at a stationery shop. Uncle, do you have sketch pens?
Yes,
Chandru looks around the shop and he finds maps and different picture charts. Uncle, what does this chart have?
this chart has pictures of historical places in Tamil Nadu.
What are historical places?
These are the places where buildings, idols, and arts were made long ago. The government keeps them safe so that we can learn about them.
Chandru points to a picture on the chart. I have gone to Mahabalipuram with my parents. It is near Chennai.
Yes, it has four different styles of architecture.
Is it? Who built it?
Yes, it was built by Pallavas.
My mother told me that most of the monuments were made out of just one stone.
Yes, correct. Do you know something? Why the shore temple is called so?
No.
The seashore temple is so named because it overlooked the shore of the Bay of Bengal.
Oh, is it? Chandru points to another picture on the chart. Where is Fort St. George?
It is also in Chennai. It is the first English fort in India.
What else is there inside the fort?
The fort has a museum and a church. The Secretariat of Tamil Nadu is also inside the fort.
I like to go to museum. I'm surely going to visit the fort.
Yes, you should. Look at this picture. Do you know whose statue is this?
Of course, he is Tiruvallavar, who wrote the famous Tirukkural.
Yes, good.
Where is this statue?
This is in Kanyakumari.
The statue is so tall.
Yes, it is 133 feet tall. Does 133 remind you of anything?
Tirukkural has 133 chapters.
Well done. The statue's height denotes the number of chapters in the Tirukkural.
What is the name of the sea that surrounds the statue?
The statue is built on the rocks, which is surrounded by Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal.
Wow, the statue looks majestic. Chandru points to a picture on the chart. What is the name of this temple?
This is the very famous Thanjavur Periyakoil, also known as Brihadeshwara Temple.
Who built it?
It was built by Rajaraja. Do you know the Nandi inside the temple was built using a single stone?
Is it?
Yes, another interesting fact about the temple is that the shadow of the main temple does not fall on the ground.
How wonderful! It is so interesting to see them. I would like to go there.
Yes, you must visit. I have gone there when I was a child and would like to go there again.
This is the last picture on the chart and it looks like a fort.
Yes, you are correct. This is Jinji Fort in Viluppuram district.
Wow, is it?
Yes, this is one of the oldest forts in Tamil Nadu.
I can also see hills. I would like to see the Jinji fort.
All of us must visit the places as they have so much history behind and we must take pride in them. That's nice. Please take Tamil Nadu monument chart and sketch pens.
Yes, I will hang it in my house and talk about it to all my friends. Thank you, uncle. Okay, let's do the bookmark exercises. Choose the correct answer. Seashore Temple is at Mahabalipuram. Fort St. George is at Chennai. There are four styles of architectures at Mahabalipuram. Thiruvalvar Road, Tirukkural. Nandi in Tanjavuru Periya Kovil was built with single stone. Match the following. Vivekananda Rock is in Kanyakumari Museum. St. George Fort, Jinchi Fort is in Viluppuram, Mahabalipuram, Pallavas, Periya Kovil, Cholas. Answer the following. What are inside Fort St. George Museum and a church? Write a short note on Thiruvalvar statue. It is in Kanyakumari and it is 133 feet tall. Name the three water bodies which are surrounded the Thiruvalvar statue. Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean, Bay of Bengal. Who built Tanjavur Periya Kovil? Write any special feature of the temple. Raja Raja Cholan. Nandi inside the temple was built using single stone. Describe the Jinji fort. It is the oldest fort of Tamil Nadu. It is in Viluppuram district.